Yeah, here we are doing spaghetti alla Bolognese. So I want to share with all of you, and you can feel like cooking with a mega model Carlo Guerrero here. So it's a bit dirty, you can see, but so, and here is the spaghetti already cooked. Yeah, and I put the ingredients to give the spaghetti bolognese touch. So now I am in low fire. Hope that you enjoy with me. I'm sorry for my English because it's not my native language, so. Should I create a cooking channel? Oh my gosh. Yummy. We'll put a little bit more of oregano. Oh, this is albahaca. I will find some oregano also. Yeah. And again, sorry for my dirty kitchen, but I hope that you enjoy cooking with me. And I tell you, it looks so fucking yummy. So they are almost ready. So guys, how it looks. Yeah. So if you liked the little video that I did with you, I wanted to share. So, and please subscribe to my channel, okay? And comment, and I will make videos of cooking more. So, and yeah, I got my dinner almost ready. So, ciao guys.